Welcome to Spinner, Bulgaria. Let's go take a tour.
Hi, Lyndsey.
Wow.
Welcome to Spinner, Bulgaria.
We're finally here.
Yeah, welcome.
It's huge. This building is massive.
Yes, it is.
So why have you chosen here? Because we're not far from Plovdiv, are we?
Yes, we're not far from Plovdiv. We produce machines, we deliver to customers, and now we are in the cross-section of European transport corridors. That's why we chose here.
Oh, wow. And how many machines are you producing from here?
1,000 machines per year is our capacity, including CNC milling machines and lathes.
All from here?
Yes, would you like to see how we do it?
Absolutely, yes I do. Yes.
Let's go. Welcome to our production.
Wow. I mean, just look at this place. It's so new and clean.
Thank you. We are trying to keep it clean.
So what's this production line for? What are you producing here?
In this line, we produce spinner milling machines from 3 axis to 5 axis.
And how are you doing this? Because you're not on a conveyor here, are
No.
you? The machines are static.
Yes, they are static. When we have the body of the machine, we put it in one cell and we make all other assemblies at the same place. And then the controls and then the delivery from that place.
Now, this is the latest spinner facility, isn't it? Because of course
Yes,
you've got the
yes.
one in Germany. How have you built on this? Because I often find you learn from what you've already done and then
Yes,
you improve.
yes.
So how is this kind of the best HQ that you've got, I guess?
We thought Spinner brand deserves the best, so we tried to combine all the good practices in this building. And just because the accuracy is more important for our machines, we tried to give the best conditions on the assembly area with the special concrete floor and also same temperature with our temperature control system.
In here?
In here, yes. We also have the dust control with these doors. We have some kind of program that we can prevent the dust to come inside.
No.
Yes.
I guess there's so much competition out there, let's be fair, with machine tool brands that you're fighting for the fastest, the most accurate,
Yes.
that you have to put all of these operations in place at the core of the build of every single machine.
Absolutely.
How long have you been at Spinner?
Since 24 years.
24
Yes.
years? Oh, wow. Do you love it?
Absolutely. I love it. That's why I'm here.
Yeah. So how did you begin?
It's great to work in the Spinner group.
And where did your career begin? Where did you start?
I started as a young engineer and then worked in different departments and ended up as the general manager of the plant in Bulgaria.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Wow. Oh, well, you clearly really love it. So how have you invested as well? Because haven't you got solar panels on the roof?
Yes, we have solar panels on the top of our second building. Also, we are planning new ones for our third building, which you will see as a construction just started.
Oh, so you're expanding here as well?
Yes, we are.
And how many machines is it that you produce from here? Well, I guess what's your capacity?
Yeah, our capacity is 1,000 machines, including spinners, CNC lathes and milling machines for now. And we are hoping to expand with new buildings. Lyndsey, you saw our milling machines. Would you like to see the lathes too?
Absolutely.
Okay,
yes.
let's go then. Yes, Lyndsey, now we are in the lathe assembly. And you can see our two different models on the floor. The one with linear guideway and the one with box.
Yeah. I think what's interesting about spinner machines as well, I love seeing this because you can really see the core of the machine, is the configuration of spinner machines and all of the angles. It's perfect for an engineer to kind of see what's going on. Obviously you've got the chip fall away as well, but it's good visibility of what's going on inside a spinner.
Yes, yes, and we have many different configurations that you can make with 1 or 2 spindles, 1 or 2 turrets, with or without Y-axis.
You know, that's funny you say that because we've been at EMO and I saw the Quadrex machine. And so you've got, I love that, you're like, that's what we've got. Yeah, because you've got your 2 spindles.
Yeah.
And then the 4 turrets, like literally dancing around this machine.
This is the brand new one.
Yeah.
And we are proud of it.
Yes, and so you should be. And there's so many different configurations in terms of, well, options that you get with a spinner, don't you? Because you've got all the different
Yes,
partners.
we have different options for spindle, for turret. Many different configurations can be made according to the needs of the customer.
And partners.
Yeah.
And partners too, because
Yes.
Robin was telling me that you use.
Yeah, we use CNC partners, Siemens, Fanuc and Heidenhain.
Oh wow! So you're kind of like listening to markets, because obviously different
Sure,
machine shops have preferences.
Yes, and we are trying to use the latest models of the CNC partners.
And this is more recognisable.
Yeah, and we are proud that we can make the machine from there to here.
I mean, spinners build spinners, don't they?
Yes, yes, we do that. And you know what, Lyndsey? In past, Bulgaria was well known about their ability to build machine tools. And after a few decades, we are here to put our mark on that with our team. So we are very proud of that.
And how many people work here?
103
Really?
for now. Yes. Yes.
And you
we
want
are growing.
I was going to say, with
Yes.
another building, you're definitely
Yes,
going to grow
of
even
course,
more.
We have to. And you saw all the production. Let's move to the warehouse.
So is this your spares department?
No, not only spares. We are using all these materials for building our machines.
Oh really? So
Yeah.
they're all the components to build?
Yes, yes.
A
We
machine.
have 8,000 different articles in the warehouse, and one machine consists about 2,000 different components.
I didn't know that.
Yeah.
That's kind of hard to fathom, isn't it?
Absolutely. You should ask the planning department.
yeah. Oh wow! And you can see like loads of different recognisable brands in industry that you work
Yes,
alongside
yes.
too. How fast across, I guess, Europe is it that you can provide spares?
Oh, I can proudly say that we can deliver in 24 hours.
24
Yes.
hours. I mean, that's so important, isn't it?
Absolutely. We don't want our customers to wait for spare parts to run their machines. So before we move to the second building, I would like to show you something very interesting. That's the surprise, Lyndsey.
I mean, this is a construction site, Rahsan.
Yes, but construction site of our own third building.
So what will you be doing here then?
That will be our machining facility.
So you're basically telling me, right, that you're going to get the machines that you built from
Yes.
next door, pick those up, put them here,
Yes.
use those machines to make
Yes.
components that make the machines in the first place.
Absolutely.
That is blowing my mind. Wow.
Yeah, it's mind-blowing.
When are you going to have this built?
At the end of 2026, it will be ready.
It's not long.
No, no.
No. You're like, yep, that's happening.
Yeah, and we are planning to have maybe 4th and 5th buildings in future. We already started to make such plans because we should be ready.
Yeah.
And our next stop is the showroom.
Right, let's go.
Yeah, and this is the final area of our tour in Spinner, Bulgaria.
So this is your showroom?
Yes.
Wow. So what do you do here then? Obviously, you can see the machines in their final
yeah.
state, actually moving and working.
yeah.
But what happens here?
We use our showroom for different purposes. For example, a social hub to communicate with our customers, a training center which we cooperate with our partners to give trainings to our staff and also our customers. And we make some test cuts for the parts of our potential customers to show them how precisely we can deliver their machines.
So when you talk about training as well, do you go on site? So it's not all, is it all here when you're offering training, or do you go on?
It depends on the demands, the request from the customer. We prefer to make it here to show around all our machines and our capabilities, but when they need a training on their side, we are ready with our team to go and give the proper training.
Do you love working for Spinner?
I love working for Spinner very much.
Why is that?
Because I feel like home.
Really?
Yeah.
I mean, you've been here quite a long time
Yes.
now.
Yes.
So, you know, you're obviously seeing this brand grow, aren't you?
Yes. We have grown together. That was important for me, that I didn't start at point and stuck at that point. I was given the opportunity to see all the different activities in different departments and all the growth in the technology in the company. That's why it's always good to see something new all the time and renew ourselves to adapt to our environment. I love Spinner.
Oh, I love that. I love that. There's something I really love about what you do here, and I've never ever heard anywhere across the world do it, and it's the trees
What is it?
outside.
Yeah.
So why have you done that, and what is it?
Because we believe we are spending most of our time here as the employees.
Yeah.
And we are really like a family, and we wanted to show it to everyone, giving our newborn babies names to each tree, and these trees will grow with them.
I love that. And you've got your well on site as well,
Yes,
so you've got the
yes.
water around the outside.
Yes, with our water we are planting.
Rahsan, thank you so much for taking me on a tour, and
Oh.
it's so good having a female take you on a tour as well.
Thank
you know.
It was our pleasure to have you here.
Oh, thank you. And for me to see your story and the fact that you've grown, and you know, for Spinner, it's not just about the machines. That's huge. It's about the machines. You've got major growth plans, which is so exciting for you. And I guess it's kind of what I've picked up from this is that Spinner as a brand, you're here, but you're here to stay.
Yeah, we are.